All right, Island Hoppers, we are back at it again with another episode, this time from Puerto Morelos, a small fishing village that's popular with backpackers out here on the Riviera Maya, just south of Cancun. So we're going to walk around here, show you guys what this place has to offer. We are headed to Playa del Carmen next. We'll be making a few videos from Riviera Maya. Hopefully we can buckle her. Beautiful shop.
Check it out. Almost free.
Almost free?
Yes.
Wow. It's a real sombrero right there. What is that? Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this place. Whatever you're looking for, they got it here, huh? This beach. Snorkeling. See, there's some backpackers there. Pangea. That's a nice bar right there. Ah, they got a reef here. Walk this way a little bit just to see what they got down here along the beach. There is a few more areas over there, but it's more of the shopping. And as far as I'm concerned, once you've seen one bit of shopping, you've seen it all. Yesterday we went to Isla Mujeres, and that was pretty nice. Much more touristic than this place, though. Might go in one of these places and actually try out a tequila, but my main priority here is get you guys a pretty good overview of what they've got going on here. It looks like they've got some cabanas and umbrellas down there. Holy moly, the waves are ripping out there. Some insane waves out there right now. With all this southern wind. Looks like they've got some houses there. I don't know if those are for rent or Airbnb or what. Just so you know, there is an airport in Cozumel as well as Cancun. But for this one, you may just want to fly into Cancun. Because if you fly into Cozumel, you'll have to take the ferry across and whatnot. Alright, what do we got going on over here? Alright. Look at this. It's that seaweed that has been plaguing the Yucatan, Riviera Maya. I don't know what kind of seaweed it is, but it's everywhere. See, you can see them raking it. There's so much of it, they have to rake it. Some areas have it worse than others, that's for sure. Massage. People just come here to relax. Yeah, all the way up and down here, there's gonna be some stuff. Pretty nice beach though. I'm gonna go back to the town and show you guys. So you've got a little bar here, I just want to show you. Hola, señor. Vitamin T? Tequila? Tequila shot? Hola, señor. Hola. ¿Un tequila o no? ¿Sí? ¿Un tequila?
Poder hacerlo desde la primera vez y no gastar esa energía a lo tarduo.
Qué fuerte, sí.
No, de verdad, qué importante.
Impactante.
Y como tú lo dices, ¿no? Perfectamente. No sé,
Hola, señor. You want a tequila? Tequila, please, por favor.
exactamente. Ay, qué padre. Bueno, continúa.
Especial Puerto Morelos o no? Especial tequila para aquí? No? What do you recommend? Don Julio? Don Julio, sí. Ok. Arriba, abajo, el centro.
Abajo.
Sí.
Abajo, al centro y para adentro.
Wow, good. Very good.
Very good.
All right, let's see what this view at Pelicanos looks like. Ooh, wow. Nice little patio deck here on the beach. Go up there and hang out in that lifeguard tower. All right, so now we're back out onto the street here. Kind of just like what you get in Tulum. What do you need? Look at that. That could go in your backyard at the pool.
I got more colors, eh?
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Inside is something different. You want to see?
Something different.
Yeah, go ahead. No charge to look, my friend.
No charge to look?
Exactly.
Mirror only? What's this?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yes, vanilla. The pure vanilla. It's good for cakes, for the ice creams.
Yeah. Comida.
Sure.
Sí. Wow. Me gusta. Okay, I get something for mi mamá.
Ajá. Blouses?
Sí.
I got some
Sí.
blouses.
I need to see the
Yes.
blouses para mi mamá.
Yes. What size hair?
Medium.
Small,
Maybe.
big?
No, maybe.
Large?
Show me. I tell you if
Okay.
fits mi mamá. It's poquito, no? Like short.
It's short?
Short.
About dress?
Dress. Sí.
Dress, okay.
Sí.
Okay. I got dresses.
Okay.
Let me try some dresses. My dresses are here. Come.
Okay.
I got like those.
Oh, see, yes.
Much better.
Much better.
Sure. How about something like this? This one no is for too big and no is for too small. Let me show you how it is size. Where do you come from?
USA.
Yeah?
Estudia.
What do you mean for her? Is it small or you need a big?
What is this? Is small or big?
No, this one
Medium?
is a large.
Large?
Yeah.
¿Cuántos? ¿Cuántos dólares?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
This one costs like a 65.
¿Cuánto? Oh,
It's like embroidered because check. All like this is the hard work feeling. See?
yeah.
When it's plain or it's only like this, look at.
¿Cuánto cuesta? Is how much, huh?
Ajá, sí, ¿cuánto cuesta?
Simón.
Habla bien español, ¿eh?
Poquito.
Oh, it's good.
¿Es blanco o es bien?
El blanco.
Sí.
Okay. No blanco. Sure. What about this one?
Es... ¿Cuánto cuesta?
This one.
Sí, en pesos.
Pesos. It's like 1,300 pesos.
1,300?
Mhm.
Maybe 1,000 pesos, no problem?
Okay.
Okay, its size is what?
Yeah. It's the same to the first one. It's only like this. It's a longer than that.
Sí. Okay, es bien. Es bien.
Okay? Sí.
Sí.
What else? Maybe one for you. I got the.
No necesito para mí mucho shirt already. Everything taken care of. What you have? What you have? You show me.
Yes, yes. Look at.
Whoa! Tequila shot.
Yes, tequila shot glasses from Puerto Morelos. Look at.
Ah,
See?
Simón.
Simon, I give you package deal. For you, I got like this shirt. I like a typical guayabera from Mexico.
Oh.
See, like this one is a.
Just mi mamá, because mi taxi.
Okay. You
Vámonos,
taxi.
sí.
Sí. Okay.
Bien, gracias, amigo.
Thank you so much too.
Because you're kind of like the red guy.
Yeah, the red rojo. No. See, like azul.
Azul. Oh look, I have a really
You
nice.
can't be like me. I have this.
No, I.
Look at that one, Azul. And the price is right. Look at the name of the store.
Price is right.
¿Cuántos? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
300 pesos, not much.
300 pesos.
Anything less, I can't be giving it
They're
away.
like $20, like $30.
No, less than that.
200. 200 and you have a deal.
Let's meet halfway.
250. Simón. Okay. Hold on to this. There we
Nice
go.
tattoo, by the way.
I'll take it. 250.
He loves tattoos.
We could do 250. That'll work this out because I got to pay the taxi guy
You want me
too.
to put it in a little plastic bag?
No, this is fine. I'll wear them like this. 250.
Now we're like real.
Thank you, senor. Thank you.
Boom.
Yes.
Boom.
All right.
I would like to catch a punch.
From you, man, big man.
Yeah, I'll post that video and you see.
Thank you. All right, guys. So I've got a new pair of sunglasses, as you can see. Pretty happy about the purchase. Changes my perspective. It feels good. Got this nice azul tint. Everything's good. So this is a small town of Puerto Morelos. Hope this video helps you guys. If it did, hit the like button and consider subscribing and watching some of these other videos from around Mexico that I'll put here at the end. Right here. See y'all.